This is called the BioCharger. So this is one of our new therapies we have here at Wardy Wellness, and it's a big part of our Vitality Lab. So the BioCharger is a pretty amazing piece of technology. It has a Tesla coil. What you're seeing lighting up around that Tesla coil are different gases. Basically what this thing does is it emits 4 different types of energy: voltage, electromagnetics, sound and harmonics, and light. All you have to do is just be sitting within the vicinity of the BioCharger, and we can actually program over 1,200 recipes into the BioCharger to work on everything from brain health, gut health, your spine, to calming you down, to giving you energy, working on the fascia, the solfeggio tunes, to 528 frequency, to 10 frequency. So it's kind of like having a machine that I can customize any frequencies I want as far as recipe, and we can run different treatments. So our practice members like to come in, whether it's getting an energy boost, we'll run things to help boost their energy. We have things called like Nirvana to chill them out. I have other ones for the brain to put you into alpha. We've got some other ones like called Abundance that just help put you in a good mood. Another one called Happy Days. All the way even to ones that if you're a little anxious will chill you out and calm you down. Great machine. Our practice members love it. As you can see, it's kind of like a modern day campfire.